Uber stock is up almost 55% year to date in 2025, and I still think it's the best stock to buy right now. It's outperforming the S&P 500 index by nearly 10x. And I'm going to share with you in this video why I still like Uber as the best stock to buy, even though, of course, I like the stock better to start 2025 at the significantly lower valuation. I still like the stock even over $93 a share. So Uber last updated investors after the end of the quarter, which ended March 31st, 2025. And in that report, it reported several critical metrics improving, including the monthly active platform customers, which jumped by 14% to 170 million. Uber has had the early mover advantage in this category, collecting users when the cost to collect users was much lower than where it is today. Companies like Tesla that are trying to develop driverless car technology and roll the technology out by themselves without partnering with a company like Uber will find it so expensive to collect these amounts of customers. They like to tout the lower cost of producing the vehicles to deliver to customers, but they fail to point out how expensive it's going to be to acquire users. Many times, the customer acquisition cost can be an impediment for a business growth. And in this case, Tesla might find it extremely difficult to attract even a fraction of the monthly active platform customers that Uber's been able to attract over its many years in business. Uber's gross bookings jumped by 14% to 42.8 billion. Now, this isn't all revenue for Uber. This is just how much money gets spent on the Uber platform. Some of that money goes to restaurants and some of that money goes to drivers, and Uber gets a percentage of that overall booking. But this does highlight how much money people are spending on Uber, which signifies the customer value proposition. If you read my book, The Six-Step Framework for Evaluating Publicly Traded Companies, you'll know that one of the 6 steps I look at when I'm evaluating a business is the customer value proposition. And I think Uber offers customers a great value proposition. Convenience, convenience, convenience. Over my many years evaluating companies and evaluating consumers, the one constant I found is that people are willing to pay for convenience.
Click the link below to watch the full video.